Alright, hey traders, in this video I'm going to give you a short, sharp, to the point, amazing, powerful chart reading strategy that you can use to help you understand what is going on in the market. So let's get into it. Alright, so let's actually get straight into this. Before I do say this, this is just a trade. This is just a chart technique to help you understand what's happening in the market. This is not a trading system. I'm not saying just trade on this. In fact, you need a whole arsenal of rules into a nice tight trading system. On top of that, good trade management and good money management to help you get ahead in these markets. That's why you need nice tight rules to help you get ahead. Okay, you understand that. So just make sure that you are doing the right thing for yourself. Especially trade management, I would say that don't take any trade unless you're 100% happy with the risk on that trade. And I'd say trading very, very, very small of your account, maybe 1 or 2% per trade, especially in these days market. The worst case scenario is you lose a couple percent. That's it, okay? But the bottom line is that you must be very, very, very happy with the trade you're taking, because the bottom line is that the market is very risky. The market is very volatile right now, and you need to make sure you're taking good care of yourself in these times of the markets, okay? So just make sure you do that. Anyway, let's get into this. One thing I learned a while ago, I'm looking at the basically a chart here right now, the S&P 500, but this applies to any market, any chart, any time frame, okay? What you can see here, we have an uptrend, right? But what determines an uptrend? And it's very simple to look at the peaks and troughs, highs and lows, okay? So if we have an uptrend where the market goes up, we have higher peaks and higher troughs. Real simple, okay? Higher peaks and higher troughs. If we have a downtrend, then we have lower peaks and lower troughs. Makes sense? So it's very, very, very simple. If you look at the peaks and troughs, higher troughs and peaks means the market's going up. Lower peaks and lower troughs means the market's going down, right? So that's what's happening through there. Now, let's have a look at this thing, okay? If we have a look at this right now, we can actually see on the market, look at this here. So we have a bottom there. Let's actually do this here. We have this highlight. So we have a trough. We have a peak. Let me just do this one. Let's do it with a box, okay? So we have the peak, then we have the trough. You can see the market ran up, create this high. We have these small little peaks and troughs, but just look at the majors. The majors mean where the market ended and where the swing ended and the move started. And then the move started from here, then the move went down through here. And then the move went up through to here, and then move went down through here. And then move went up through here. You see that there? See how I'm just looking at the major swings. So if you look at it on a graph like that, you can see how we're making higher peaks and higher troughs overall. Higher peak, higher trough. And then suddenly what happens is the market ran up, and I'll get into this pattern in another video, but the market made another slight higher peak, and then went straight down. Now, what is this down the bottom here? This is a lower trough. Does that mean the seller's in control? No, it doesn't. What do we need? We need a low peak to confirm, right? So then what happened in the market? The market went straight back up and went straight back to higher peaks, as you can see. And so then we made a higher peak, higher trough, higher peak, higher trough. Then we made a lower peak through here, got very, very sideways, but as you can see here, right, it didn't stop making. Let's change this color here to say a red. You can see here, it didn't stop making higher troughs through here. Okay, it did make a lower peak and then ran up, made a higher peak, a higher trough, and as you can see, ran up, continued to make these higher troughs, higher peak, higher trough, lower peak. Then it ran down, made a lower trough right now, where we are right now. So where we are right now, what are we looking for to say that the sellers are likely to take control here? We're looking for a lower peak, right? Right in this time frame where we are right now, I'm looking at this chart, we're looking for a lower peak. Makes sense? So we're looking for a lower peak. This will be the one that says, okay, this is what we're looking for to see, okay, are we likely to do this up here, or are we likely to do this down through there? That's going to determine what's going to happen. If we start to form a lower peak, then we have a good chance of running down and creating new lows, and maybe even creating like a bit of a, maybe create like a bit of a channel through here. Makes sense, as you can see. But, you know, that may be happening through there. I don't know. But as you can see, that's what's happening right now on the, you know, on the S&P 500. I'm going to apply this to any chart. So this is the simple but powerful chart reading technique, guys. This is going to help you stay in tune with the market. Right now, we're forming, as we speak right now, right now we're forming a lower trough. We did already form a lower peak. So we're already starting to see some good significant moves in the markets. We're still at the overall high level. Really haven't broken down a lot. If we start to form a lower peak through here, we're likely to do this. If not, we're likely to continue up. And as you can see that. So this is just one of many tools and systems and strategies, guys, that you can use if you're looking for a full, complete trading course to help you move ahead with mistakes, more charting techniques, reversal patterns, trading systems, money management, everything you can think of to help you trade ahead. Then click on this little image at the top here. That's going to help you. That's going to take you over to a page where you can access to a full course, trading system, trading techniques to help you get ahead in the market. This is John Howell here from officialjohnhowell.com. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.